Hi, my name is Vic. I'm an optometrist at OutsideClinic, and today I'm joined by Steph from Théa, and we're going to talk about how their products can support eye health and comfort. So to begin with, we're going to look at some products that support lid hygiene. So Steph, if you could talk me through the symptoms that a patient might have that would warrant this particular product.
Absolutely. So actually looking after your lids and keeping them really nice and clean and functioning as they should is a really important part of keeping our eyes healthy. So patients might be experiencing some sort of crustiness around their lids. They might be getting a little bit of dandruff. They might also be feeling a bit red, a little bit puffy. They might also be experiencing watery eyes. That's a really good indication that something's actually not quite right with our eyelids. So that might be why patients have been recommended to use one of these lid hygiene blepharitis products.
Smashing. And I see we've got a couple of different products here. Should we talk through each of them?
Absolutely, yeah. So let's start with the blephari bag. So this is a really important first step in actually warming our eyelids. Our eyelids contain lots of little glands and we need to get those glands nice and warm to start them performing as they should be. The next step is actually using a cleansing product. So this is where Blephaclean, Blephasol and Blephagel come in. So Blephaclean is a wipe that's really nice and convenient to use, a very gentle cleanser that helps get patients' eyelids nice and clean and helping those glands to perform as well as they can. Blephasol is a little bit more of a cost-effective solution for patients. So managing your lids and managing your eye health is a chronic condition, it's a long-term condition. So keeping on top of those symptoms is really important, and that's where Blephasol comes in. Blephagel finishes up the range nicely as a really gentle gel cleanser. It's a really cooling gel. If patients have got very sort of hot and inflamed eyelids, it's really comfortable for them to use. You might have been recommended these when you're experiencing some symptoms, what we would call dry eye symptoms. Okay. Your eyes might be feeling tired, gritty, sore, they might be a little bit itchy, or they might be watering. All sorts of different symptoms, but with Théa Duo and Théa Duo Gel, you've got some great options for getting on top of that discomfort. So the optometrist might have recommended Xaspray if you're experiencing a couple of different symptoms. So itchy eyes might be one of them. So if you're suffering a little bit with allergies, either in hay fever season or pet allergies, for example, Xaspray is really going to help. Okay. The other way it helps as well is if you really struggle putting drops in. Either you can't or you don't like putting them in. Xaspray offers a really nice, easy solution for providing relief for your dry eyes.
Excellent, thank you. So here we have a supplement called Nutrof. Can you tell me a bit more about this?
Absolutely. So you might have been recommended this by the optometrist if you need a little bit of support with your eye health from the inside out. Actually, our eyes are a very energy demanding organ and they need a lot of help. And it's very hard to get that through just our diet alone. But our eyes are a very precious organ as well, so we want to do the best to look after them well into old age. So this is where Nutrof comes in.
Great, thank you. I understand that some of our patients may have been recommended multiple products. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Absolutely. So the link between our eyelids and the surface of our eye is really key to keeping our eyes nice and comfortable and nice and healthy. So actually, if patients have been recommended something like a blephari bag and Blephaclean, we're looking at keeping our lids nice and healthy and nice and clean. And then actually they might have been recommended a drop or a spray to keep the surface of the eye nice and comfortable and able to see clearly all day. And then actually looking at some sort of nutritional support, helping to support from the inside out. So it's a combination of products that give that best possible care.
Brilliant, thank you. So for more information, please contact us at outsideclinic.co.uk.